Welcome everyone to another brand new video, and today in this video I like to share you guys Honor X9A long time review after 6 months. I am Shadat from Shadat'S DAYOUT. So guys, it's the video. Starting with the phone design and the build quality, the smartphone built with glass in the front, plastic back with plastic frame, and this smartphone is very lightweight, only 175 grams. And I am especially like this smartphone camera design and the curved display. So overall the smartphone looking is excellent. Honor X9A have a very high quality 6.67 inch 1B color 120Hz AMOLED display with a resolution 1080 into 2400 pixel with 395 ppi density. The colors are bright and the contrast is great, and the curved display is the game changer. So overall the smartphone display quality is excellent. Let's now talk about the OS. Right now the phone running Android 12 with Magic UI 6.1, and the phone comes with Snapdragon 695G with 6 and 8GB of RAM. Snapdragon 695G is a very good processor, so there is no problem performing everyday tasks such as calling, texting, watching YouTube and things like that. It can handle pretty good. If you are a heavy user, this processor cannot handle your heavy tasks. Let's talk about the camera. The phone comes with triple camera setup, 64 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with single 16 megapixel selfie camera. The phone main camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video, and the video quality is nothing special, average quality, and camera quality is also average. You can take a decent picture in a daylight and also night and low light. Overall the camera performance is decent. The fingerprint scanner and face unlock, both one is speed very fast and secure. And next I like this smartphone, the battery life. The phone powered by 5100 mAh battery and 40 watt fast charger, so overall you can get more than 1 day battery backup. This smartphone design and the display is excellent, and the performance and the camera is not great, is very decent. So this is all about Honor X9A review after almost 6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.